Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the cells that contain the dates you want to change. Once done, check that Excel recognizes them as dates by using isNumber or briefly converting a cell to general. Next, open the Number Format dropdown on the Home tab or press Ctrl+1 to jump straight into Format cells. This sequence gets you into the right dialog quickly, so you can change how Excel displays those underlying serial dates without altering the stored value. You now decide between a built-in date format or a custom pattern. Pick a preset if it matches your needs. Otherwise, choose custom and type tokens like D, DD, M, MM, MMM, and YI to control day, month, and year display. Once done, tweak separators and add time tokens like H, MM, or HH. MM if you need 24-hour time. Make sure to watch the sample field so you immediately see how the format will appear across your cell. You finish by clicking OK and scanning the sheet to verify consistency across rows and columns. If some entries still look like text, convert them using text to columns or date value so Excel stores serial dates. This restores correct sorting and calculation. If formats differ because of regional settings, change the locale in format cells or switch to the unambiguous ISO pattern YIMMDD. If problems persist, make sure there are no leading apostrophes or mixed data types in the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.